major report by the United Nations on climate change issues a dire warning for humanity.
The UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has concluded the world has warmed faster than previously thought. The more than 3,000-page report from scientists says global warming is already accelerating sea level rise, shrinking ice, and worsening extremes like heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms. And all of these trends will get worse. The report also says Earth's climate is getting so hot, the temperature limits set in the 2015 Paris Climate Agreement will be surpassed in about a decade. The report says as the planet warms, places will get hit more, not just by extreme weather, but by multiple climate disasters that occur simultaneously.
The new report pulls no punches in outlining the ongoing consequences of our rising greenhouse gases emissions and how these choices over the next few decades will lead to starkly different climate futures. Here in North America, the report makes clear that we are facing a combination of worsening impacts on land and in the ocean and along our coasts, including a significant increase in the frequency and intensity of weather and climate extremes.
So the new report marks the first time the IPCC has declared the climate crisis is being caused by humans.
Who's the IPPCP? Never heard of them until just now. Well, goes to show you what these knuckleheads that's now in their 80s or 70s and some of them in their 60s knew about, but they chose not to do anything about it. They thought, well, we can kick this down the can. We can kick it down the road, out of sight, out of mind, let some other generation deal with it. Well, we see now who's going to have to deal with it. And we see now whose fault it is, out of greed and selfishness and stupidity. So sad. Ever, ever, ever so sad.